let's understand. Let's understand whether it is a good sign or it is a bad sign. Now let me ask you a couple of questions. My first question is, we all are businessmen. So as a businessman, what would you like in your business to happen? Would you like your inventories in your business to go up, or would you like your inventories to go down?
Go down.
Everyone?
Go down.
Everybody?
Yes.
Anyone who thinks that his inventory should go up, please take your hands up. All of us. So all of us want in our business, our inventories must go down, and you're right, our inventories must go down. If I can manage with lesser inventory, then why should I not manage my business with lesser inventory? Because it is in my interest. So therefore, all of you are perfectly right that the inventories in my business also should go down, and all of you say it should go down. Very good. Question number 2. What would you like to happen in your business with regard to your receivables? Would you like receivables of your business to go up, or would you like receivables of your business to come down? No. Everybody? Yes. Anyone who thinks that I would like my receivables to go up, please take your hands up. So every one of us agree that we should like our receivables also to go down. यानी कि हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे बिजनेस में हमारे जो receivables हैं वो कम होने चाहिए, ज़्यादा नहीं होने चाहिए. Very good. Question number 3. What would you like to happen in your business as far as the cash and bank balance is concerned? Would you like your cash and bank balance in your business to go up, or would you like your cash and bank balance to go down? So I can understand the dilemma. Those of you who are saying that you would like your cash and bank balance to go up, please remember, you would not like your cash and bank balance in your business to go up. What you would like, that the cash which has come into the business is used for something which is going to increase your revenues. So if merely the bank balance is lying in your bank account, that is not a good sign. And in any case, please remember, you must always keep minimum balance as far as the cash is concerned with you, so as to ensure that your operations run smoothly. तो उसके लिए अगर आपको 50 लाख रुपए की ज़रूरत है तो 50 लाख आपके बैंक में रखिए. 50 लाख से अगर एक भी आप रुपया ज़्यादा रखते हैं, यू आर वेस्टिंग मनी. यस और नो? Isn't it? Because वो मनी जो 1 रुपया है वो करंट अकाउंट में है या वो कैश क्रेडिट अकाउंट में है, उसके ऊपर बैंक आपको 10 पैसा भी देने वाली नहीं है. So obviously I am sure all of us are on the same page. You would like your cash and bank balance also to go down and come to a level so that it does not impact your operations adversely. Very good. Let's move forward. What would you like to happen in your business? Would you like your payables, trade payables, your creditors, amount that you have to pay to your creditors, would you like that amount to go up, or would you like that amount to come down? Up. So those who are saying that you would like that amount to come down, let me ask you another question. Would you like your suppliers to give you longer credit period, or would you like your suppliers to give you shorter credit period? Longer credit period, right? So if your supplier is giving you longer credit period, your payables will go up, or will they go down? Up, right? Okay, very good. अब जरा ध्यान से सुनिए, बदल मत जाना. आपने जो कुछ बोला है तो चेंज मत करना अपने आप को. नहीं, ये मेरा मतलब नहीं था. अब absolutely, sir. Absolutely. So that is abnormal situation. I am talking about the normal situation. So what you say is absolutely right. I fully agree with you. If you are able to get your money faster by giving some discount, and the discount that you are offering is lower than the saving of the interest that you will have if you get this money with you, you are absolutely right, and I am in fully agreement with you. If that is what is happening, is absolutely fine. But normally we are talking about the normal situation. Discount we are not.
But in case of you are utilizing CC and credit period is longer, that is okay.
Yeah. So if though that is always okay, because if your creditors are higher, that means by default your CC utilization is lower. Are you with me, everybody? समझ रहे मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ? अगर आपके पेबल्स If the creditors are higher, correspondingly your CC utilization is lower. Because अगर आपने creditors को pay कर दिया तो आपका CC का utilization ऊपर जाएगा. That means you will have to pay interest on that actually. Okay, so let's quickly be on the same page. Number one, all of us are saying that we would like in our business our inventories to go down. We would like in our business our receivables to go down. We would like in our business our cash and bank balance also to go down. And we would like in our business that our payables should always increase. अब जरा गौर से सुनिए और जरा सोचिए कि अगर आपके बिजनेस की इन्वेंट्री कम हो रही है, अगर आपके बिजनेस के रिसीवेबल्स कम हो रहे हैं, अगर आपके कैश एंड बैंक बैलेंस कम हो रहा है, अगर आपके पेबल्स बढ़ रहे हैं, तो अगर आप अपनी कंपनी का रिवाइज्ड करंट रेशो कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो वो करंट रेशो ऊपर गया होगा कि नीचे आ गया होगा? नीचे। सब लोग? तो अगर आपकी कंपनी का करंट रेशो नीचे आ गया, गुड साइन और बैड साइन? एवरीबॉडी गुड साइन. तो आप मुझे बताइए ये भले आदमी ने क्या गुनाह किया है? ये भले आदमी ने क्या गुनाह किया है? तो इसका भी 2.25 से 1.75 पे आया, 1.75 से 1.05 पे आया. गुड साइन और बैड साइन? गुड साइन. एंड प्लीज रिमेंबर, हियर लाइज द की in the working capital management. As a policy you must decide, under no situation my inventory should go beyond this point, under no situation my receivables should go beyond this point. See, that is what is the management by number, controlling by number. So if you have decided, if everybody knows in your organization that the inventory amount should not go beyond this point, the moment it goes beyond that point, make a noise in the organization, call everybody. And left, right and center, take everyone of what is happening. We are not supposed to have inventory beyond an X amount. Why it is going up? Please remember, it is not inventory which is going up. It is inefficiency which is creeping in your organization. Yes or no? करेक्ट. बिकॉज अगर आपकी इन्वेंट्री बढ़ रही है, आपके रिसीवर्स बढ़ रहे हैं, इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है कि आपके बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में इनएफिशिएंसी बढ़ रही है. अगर आपके रिसीवर्स बढ़ रहे हैं, इसका मतलब ये है कि कुछ लोग हैं आपकी कंपनी में जो सो रहे हैं, उनको चिंता नहीं है कि कस्टमर से पैसा आना चाहिए. दे आर नॉट वरीड अबाउट इट. उनके पास में पैसा नहीं आ रहा है, इसका मतलब आपको अपने खर्चे चलाने के लिए बैंक से लोन लेना पड़ रहा है. उस लोन के ऊपर आप इंटरेस्ट दे रहे हैं और उस इंटरेस्ट से आपकी प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी मात खा रही है. यस और नो? गुड साइन और बैड साइन? Bad sign, right? So that means who will control this? I and you will control this, and that is what you do the management. So coming to your question, now this is how the money supply happens. So all of you pay attention. The two streams of money flow in the company. Number one is when you are executing a project. Yeah, when you are